In this video, we will introduce you to 3 crypto altcoins that could potentially yield millions in profit. Accumulate these crypto gems before the next bull run to stay ahead of the herd. While you are here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight, called Altcoins. As the crypto industry strives to integrate into mainstream, real-world applications, the pace of progress is hindered by a developer tooling issue. Developers are left to choose between powerful but limited smart contracts and rich yet centralized web services. This results in user applications that are either difficult to use or lack transparency, and DAOs saddled with cumbersome operations. Furthermore, these applications are often too complex for the average user. OLAS aims to address this issue by offering developers a state-of-the-art toolbox. Their tools enable developers to combine the power of smart contracts with the versatility of traditional web programming. This approach will facilitate the creation of new applications, improving user experiences in Web3 and providing DAOs with more streamlined and effective operations. Autonomous services consist of agents, each managed by a different operator. These agents perform continuously, gathering data from any source and conducting complex processing, such as machine learning. They are secured by an on-chain protocol that operates across various chains and can also function via off-chain APIs. To create autonomous services, developers utilize an open-source framework known as Open Autonomy. They register their code on the on-chain protocol. While some developers craft complete services, others develop smaller code segments. These smaller code bits can then be assembled by other developers into fully operational services, facilitated by the protocol's tokenomics. DAOs can utilize these services to enhance their operations or offer superior products and services. Governance plays a crucial role in a modular system as it determines the adoption or discontinuation of certain functions. Autonomous governance system is designed to manage various control points, such as initiating and managing agent services, regulating minting rules for contributed software components, and updating parameters in the tokenomics. Drawing from the experience of existing decentralized protocols, Altcoins has developed 3 unique components for governance: the VA OLAS virtualized token, the OLAS governance module, and the time lock. Collectively, these elements enable the community to propose, vote on, and implement changes. Such proposals can alter system parameters, endorse new technological directions, or introduce entirely new functions to the protocol. Initially, OLAS tokens can be used to participate in governance. Their utility expands as further parts of the Altcoins protocol are deployed. Specifically, OLAS tokens will enable the protocol to acquire assets, including their own liquidity, at a discount. This will, in turn, attract more developers to contribute to the protocol. OLAS currently has a market cap of 100 million. A market cap of at least 10 billion is not crazy to think of in the future, and is exactly a 100x from here. Our second project we would like to highlight is Nakamoto Games. The idea of earning money while playing games has gained immense popularity among gamers in recent times. This trend has given rise to play-to-earn games like Axie Infinity, which is a perfect example of how players can earn real money while having fun. Among the various play-to-earn platforms, Nakamoto Games stands out as a blockchain-based gaming platform that has caught the attention of many players. The platform offers a wide range of games that provide players with the opportunity to earn a steady stream of income. To participate in the games offered by the Nakamoto Games platform, players need to connect their Web3 wallet that holds Naka tokens before choosing a game to play. The Naka token serves as the utility token of the platform and is required to power the games and purchase special weapons or features for certain games. Additionally, to maintain the token's economic stability and deflationary structure, Naka has decided to partially burn the Naka tokens as more tokens are added to the reward pool. This is an innovative way to ensure that the value of the tokens remains intact while providing players with a steady stream of income. Apart from providing players with a variety of games, Naka has also set up a governance system that allows participants to vote on different proposals, such as burning Naka tokens. This system ensures that players have a say in the platform's decision-making process, making it a more democratic and community-driven platform. Moreover, Naka has created its own metaverse called the Nakaverse. This metaverse offers players a more immersive gaming experience with play-to-earn games from the platform and more. The metaverse also includes shops, restaurants, NFT museums, and digital land plots for sale. Owners of these land plots will have the advantage of creating valuable resources faster than other players, making it a valuable investment for players looking to earn a steady income through play-to-earn games. In conclusion, with a wide range of games, a deflationary token structure, and a unique metaverse, Naka is definitely a project to keep an eye on for those interested in play-to-earn gaming. It provides players with a platform to earn real money while playing games and allows them to be a part of the decision-making process, making it an exciting and engaging platform. Nakamoto Games currently has a market cap of 90 million. Looking at how the project is being handled, a market cap of 10 billion can be reached in a bull run. That is a nice 110x from here. As our final project of this video, and also our favorite project which we're accumulating heavy, is Casper. Casper represents a groundbreaking innovation in the blockchain technology realm. It is a transaction layer that offers instant confirmation, powered by a proof-of-work engine that not only delivers speed, but also scalability, redefining how transactions are processed on the blockchain. When transactions are dispatched to miners, they can be promptly added to the ledger. This is made possible by a revolutionary block DAG structure that forms the backbone of the Casper system. This structure is based on the Ghost DAG protocol, which is an innovative evolution of the Nakamoto consensus, scalable and suitable for a wide range of applications. In keeping with the principles that underpin Bitcoin, Casper implements a proof-of-work mining system. Additionally, it adheres to a deflationary monetary policy and ensures no pre-mine or central governance, thereby maintaining the decentralized nature of the blockchain. What sets Casper apart is its unique capacity to uphold high block rates, all the while maintaining the high level of security that is characteristic of the most secure proof-of-work environments. Unlike many traditional cryptocurrencies, Casper successfully circumvents the trade-off between security, scalability, and decentralization. The decentralization of cryptocurrencies often necessitates a limitation on their block creation rate. This is to curb the creation of orphans, off-chain blocks that manifest during the time it takes for a latent block to be propagated across the network. However, Casper's consensus layer employs Ghost DAG, a proof-of-work consensus protocol that evolves Nakamoto's chain into a directed acyclic graph of blocks, effectively resolving this trade-off. The result is a robust cryptocurrency backed by 51% security, supported by a high number of miners and nodes, and delivering throughput equivalent to 1 block per second. This makes Casper a highly efficient platform for transactions. Furthermore, Casper's consensus layer facilitates fast confirmations, thereby enabling use cases that necessitate immediate proof of publication, such as e-commerce. This stands in stark contrast to traditional cryptocurrencies, which are often hampered by slow block rates, leading to sluggish confirmations. Slow block rates also contribute to high variance in mining income, prompting miners to join larger mining pools. However, Casper's fast block rate counteracts this effect, reducing the variance of mining income, which in turn diminishes the incentive for miners to join large mining pools, contributing to the decentralization of mining. In conclusion, Casper is an exciting and unique project that brings a revolutionary solution to the scalability problem plaguing decentralized cryptocurrencies. Its cutting-edge technology, rooted in the GhostDAG protocol, enables high block rates and swift confirmations without compromising on security or decentralization. This positions Casper as an ideal platform for an array of use cases, including e-commerce and DeFi, heralding a new era in blockchain technology. Casper currently has a market cap of $2.5 billion. With the big-brained people behind Casper, a market cap of at least $100 billion is not crazy to think of in the next bull run. That is a solid and safe 40x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.